Hi everyone, welcome to the One Click Economy. I'm your host Matthew and we are here to talk about the ultimate guide for financial planning for beginners. In today's video, we are going to explore essential financial tips and strategies specifically tailored to help you navigate the exciting yet challenging world of personal finance. Whether you are just starting your career or studying in college, building a solid financial foundation is crucial. Trust me, it's absolutely crucial and I will tell you why, so let's dive in. Picture this, you are embarking on a journey towards financial success. Without a solid plan in place, it's like navigating through a dense forest without a map. Financial planning gives you that map, providing clarity and direction for financial goals. It allows you to set specific objectives, whether it's saving for a dream home, paying off student loans, or retiring comfortably. With a clear vision, you can create a roadmap to achieve those goals. Now, let's get into budgeting. Financial planning puts you in the driver's seat of your finances by helping you create a budget. It's like saving a financial GPS that keeps you on track. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain control over your spending habits. You can identify areas where you can cut back, make informed decisions, and ensure that your money is allocated wisely. It's all about taking charge and making your money work for you. Let's not forget about debt management. Debt can be overwhelming, but with smart management, you can stay on top of it. Financial planning equips you with strategies to effectively manage your debts. It's like having a toolkit to tackle that mountain of student loans or credit card debt. With a plan in place, you can prioritize your debts, develop a repayment strategy, and reduce those interest payments. It's about taking control and working towards becoming debt-free, ultimately lightening the burden on your financial shoulders. Also, eliminating debt not only reduces financial stress, but also frees up funds for other goals like saving or the future of making larger purchases. Risk management is another key aspect of financial planning. Life is unpredictable and we must be prepared for unexpected. So it's essential to have a financial safety net. With proper planning, you can identify potential risks and take measures to mitigate them. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Start small by setting aside a percentage of your income each month. Make it a habit to prioritize your emergency fund, and as it provides financial security with peace of mind during unexpected situations. Or having appropriate insurance coverage to protect yourself and your loved ones. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or disability insurance, is all about safeguarding your financial well-being. Health insurance safeguards your well-being and protects against medical expenses. Life insurance ensures your loved ones are financially secure in case of an unfortunate event. Disability insurance provides income protection if you are unable to work due to a disability. Understanding the difference of all of these insurances available in the market and choose what suits your circumstances. Saving and building wealth go hand in hand with financial planning. It encourages you to prioritize saving a portion of your income. By setting aside money for emergencies and future goals, you are laying the foundation for financial security and prosperity. Financial planning also guides you in making informed investment decisions, allowing your money to grow over time. For example, many of us aspire to become house owners, and saving for a down payment is a common financial goal. Buying a house is a significant investment, and saving for a down payment shows your commitment and readiness to take that step. It may require cutting back on expenses, exploring affordable housing options, and diligently saving a portion of your income. Saving for a down payment allows you to build equity and establish a stable living situation. Or consider opening an individual retirement account or employer-sponsored retirement plan to start investment for your retirement. Additionally, you can educate yourself about investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that can lead to financial growth and generate passive income. Starting early allows you to take advantage of compounding returns and potentially build a substantial nest egg for your retirement. In other words, it's about playing the long game and watching your wealth grow steadily. Financial planning also ensures you are ready for the future.
Come here. I'll show you how it works.
Life is full of milestones and major events like buying a home, starting a family, or retiring. Financial planning prepares you for these moments, enabling you to make well-informed decisions and take the necessary steps to achieve your desired outcomes. Create financial plans specific to each event, considering the associated costs and adjusting your budget and savings accordingly. For example, let's discuss about how a marriage can impact your finances. Getting married is an exciting occasion, but it's essential to have open and honest conversations about finances with your partner. Start by discussing your financial goals, values, and any existing debts or financial obligations. Create a joint budget that outlines your income, expenses, and saving goals. Consider merging your bank accounts or maintaining separate accounts with a joint account for shared expenses. Additionally, discuss how you will handle financial decisions such as major purchases or investments. Being transparent and working together as a team will help you navigate your financial journey as a couple. And at the end, it's all about being proactive and setting yourself up for financial success. In a nutshell, financial planning is the bedrock of a strong financial foundation. It provides you with the tools and guidance to take control of your finances, set goals, budget effectively, manage debt, mitigate all of these risks, and prepare for the future. It empowers you to make informed decisions, achieve your dreams, and secure your financial well-being. So take the reins, start planning, and watch your financial future flourish. Congratulations! You have now completed the ultimate guide of financial planning for beginners. By implementing these strategies, setting tools, creating a budget, managing debt, building an emergency fund, saving and investing wisely, obtaining insurance, and planning for major life events, you are well on your way to secure financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on economics, personal finance, and all other related topics. And remember, financial planning is an ongoing process, so continue learning and adapting your strategies as you progress. Best of your luck on your financial planning, and I will see you next time.